This is my 2002 Chevy Camaro Z28. This is the PCM or ECM, however you'd like to call it. There is two 7mm bolts labeled A and two 10mm bolts labeled B. Right here we have some instructions. You're more than welcome to pause the video here, or you can watch my photo montage with my instructions. When you pop the hood, this is what you should see. In the upper left-hand corner is where the PCM is located. Before you do anything, you need to disconnect the positive terminal on your battery. Then use your 7mm socket and remove those top two bolts. The bolts actually don't come out, you just need to loosen them. They're part of the adapter. Then you need to use your 10mm socket and remove these two bottom bolts. These two bottom bolts hold in the plastic tray that the PCM sits in. Then remove the connectors. The blue one is on the top and the red one is on the bottom. This is what the PCM looks like when you pull it out. It definitely will take a little finagling, a little finessing to get it to come out, but it will come out from under the firewall. And here, right here, I've got just the instructions again. That just goes through step by step of everything that you need to do to pull out the ECM. I hope you like this video. If this is your first time to my channel, please subscribe. Have yourself a great day.